So this is the jar that the pesto that I bought from the store. And I'm going to read you the ingredients because I think it's a shame. And I don't want you to be fooled, and I want you to be able to make the best pesto, make a better pesto right at home. Even if you have to buy a basil plant already grown at the store and use those leaves. Just wash them. I always wash them, pat them dry, let them dry, put them through a spinner or something like that, okay, because we don't want it watery. So these are the ingredients, and hopefully I don't have to put my reading glasses on. Okay, obviously basil, that's the first one. Okay, good. Sunflower oil. Huh? Sunflower oil? Okay, that's the second ingredient. Just to let you know, if you're not familiar, the order of ingredients, as far as I know, the order of ingredients is the most prominent ingredient is put first, and the least amount of ingredient, the ingredient that's used the least amount is at the end, okay? So that means you have basil, duh. Then you have sunflower oil, okay? Then you have water, okay? So then you have Brazil nuts. Then you have grana padano cheese, okay? That's not either of these. Then you have Parmesan cheese. Okay, I agree with that. So I agree with 2 of the ingredients so far. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ingredients so far. And I only agree with 2 of them. Potato starch. Salt. Okay, I can kind of understand that. Garlic. Okay, get it. Pine nuts, finally. Okay. Now, keep in mind, we're at the end of the list now. So pine nuts is not barely any pine nuts. Then they add sugar. Did you see sugar here? Did I see sugar in any of the Italian, and I have a lot of Italian cookbooks. I even checked in a cookbook that was sent to me from relatives in Italy. Yeah, no sugar. So this was so disgusting, I couldn't eat it. This is not how you make an Italian pesto. This is how you make an Italian pesto. You take your basil, you put it in a blender or a food processor. You put your cheese in there. If you're not going to use 2 cheeses, use the Parmesan. Okay? Unless you like it. My family's probably watching this saying, Liz, please. We use Romano, we always have. Okay, fine, whatever. But you got the cheese. It's Italian cheese, okay? You got, it's Italian cheese of one of these types. I'll put it that way. All right, then you have the garlic, okay? A clove of garlic. And then you have your nuts. And you have your extra virgin olive oil. That is all you need to make a good pesto. You put it in and you pulse it to the consistency that you like and you're done. And you've got a pesto that is so good that you can freeze, you can store, you can use right away. You can add it with pasta, on bread, with tomatoes and salads. There's so much you can do. Chicken pesto. I mean, really, come on. You don't need this stuff. I just had to get this off of my chest because, friends, you can make a pesto that is so much better than what the manufacturers are making. And it's healthier too. So just wanted to say that. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you agree with what I'm saying, please give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And of course, a lot more recipes. Predominantly we do recipes. And sign up for my newsletter too below. So I hope you found this helpful. And thanks for watching. Grazie e ciao.